Hey guys, Schalper here. Just want to show you a DIY setup I did for my chickens. Basically just using 16 2x4s by 3 and 2 2x4s by 4. That's all the parts I used other than some screws. It was about $70 total to make this. Anyways, let's check it out. Guys, go easy on me on the comments. I am by no means a carpenter. I work in the gaming industry and yeah, kind of handy. Here it is. The Chicken Coop Jungle Gym. Really easy and fun build. My wife and daughter were there to help when needed. Probably should have videotaped building it. Anyways, I just simply started with the top here. So this is two 2x4 by 4 foot pieces of wood here. Then these are 2x4 by 3 feet. And I just simply put these here to build the top portion of it. Then I added the 4 legs. And then simply put some angled 2x4 by 3s here. And then just added the steps. Then I found an extra piece of wood here that made the perfect swing, and then one extra piece of wood back in there for support. So yeah, really easy to build. Like I said, it cost about $70. And the cool thing was all of these pieces of wood were pre-cut, other than me having to make a bunch of cuts for the steps and a couple little things. But anyways, lots of fun.
Sounds great.
Looking forward to seeing somebody jump on that swing.